Just one more set left, and I'm dying on this Friday afternoon. It's raining though, so ain't no better place to be than inside the gym, right? One more set left, let's get it. Come on. Damn, Patrick. Woo! Woo!
Beautiful weather, Caesar Gene.
Is that right?
It's gorgeous weather.
Yo, it is raining out here.
Baby making weather.
Oh, you gonna be making some babies?
Not anytime soon.
I already had my baby. Anyway, I'm done my workout. He's done his workout. We both on our way home to eat. Not to his. He's going to home. I'm going home to my crib to eat. I got like this headache, man. Ugh. I don't know. Probably thinking. I've been thinking too much, man. I need to stop thinking as hard as I do, and like let my mind just be at ease at this point. Oh, come! I ain't trying to kill myself.
I know about that. Oh no, it's going.
Oh shit!
Get on cam, Pete. Get on cam.
We ain't trying to die. Anyway, what you doing this weekend, Patrick?
I got no plans at all. Chilling with my pup, cuddling him, kissing him.
This rain is getting all on the camera. What am I doing this weekend? I got the in-laws in town this weekend, so
that's a shitty
we're going to be. You know they watch this too, right?
The in-laws do?
Well, one of them.
Oh, that's
hey, Mom,
bad.
how you doing? He doesn't mean it anyway.
I don't.
Man.
I do.
Anyway, so got the in-laws in town.
Where are you
going to have some dinner tonight.
Where are you gonna bring them?
We're going to Tres Gatos, NJP.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we're going to Tres Gatos. Anyway,
like pot right here.
I'm about to hop on the bus, get my behind home, eat some lunch. Let's go. Listen, baby, your wish is my command. Won't you understand? Wish is my command. Yo, funny enough, I thought it was a black dude that sung this song, man. I had no idea it was a white man. This guy got soul, man, because I feel every lyric. This is my type of music right here. Anyway, yo, some of my best inspirations come through taking a shower. So I was taking a shower at Lynx, right? And literally it just hit me like a ton of bricks. So like a quick little backstory before I tell you what inspiration hit me. Actually, it's within this backstory. So back when I was working for Equinox, one of my best buddies, and he's still my best buddy even though I haven't seen him in like over a year, Jordan, we came up with this concept called SOAR Fitness, which stands for State of Readiness Fitness. So I was searching and thinking, rattling my brain on what am I going to name this new program, right? Because this new program that I'm working on is basically all encompasses everything I've ever learned from taking an athlete from shit to fit, right? So I'm like, what am I going to name this thing? And then it just got me thinking like, oh, State of Readiness. That's right. Like, how could I forget something so iconic in my career, man? Because we were projected to do some awesome things, but it just didn't work out. But right now, as I'm working on building this new program, this premium program, it just hit me like, yo, just name it that, right? Because that's the definition of what I'm trying to do. Get an athlete prepared and ready for anything, any challenges that arises to them, right? Getting them in a state of readiness. So that's going to be the name of this new program that I'm working on. State of Readiness. Right now, I'm also working on building an affiliate program for this program, right? So that those who go through it and recommend it can get a kickback as well, because it is going to be a premium program, as I mentioned. Haven't decided on the pricing yet. Still going to do some consulting on that, and yeah, work on completing the program 1, developing an affiliate program 2, and yeah, keep you guys up to date, you know, because it is a journey, right? So as these realizations and these aha moments come to your boy, just share it with the fam, right? And if you are in this same phase or already done an affiliate program for your website, just let me know. I'd love to collaborate and pick your brain. If you are looking to do one and have no idea on how to do one, I'm doing the research for you so that you can be armed and ready. So as you see me go through this live and on the flesh, you'll be like, oh, you can see all my mistakes. You could see like all my wins on how I'm doing it, and you could like hopefully get some lessons from it, right? Because I ain't about that talking, I'm about that action. No more talking, partner. We're about that action over here, you heard? So this is my my mom right over here, making her first debut. So she's gonna be on the vlog. How you doing, Mom?
I'm doing really well.
She came to visit, and we're at, where are we?
Tres Gatos.
Tres Gatos. We're gonna have a beautiful evening out here.
Tapas.
Tapas, that's right. My dad over here, and wifey, and my man Tom. makes the best drinks out here. Although I just have me a ginger beer. He's hooking up the fam up. And so, with that being said, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my evening, and I'm signing off here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holla back.